Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Vaibhav Bansal. Today we are going to launch our direct taxation exemption test series, which was also launched for the November 24 examinations and got tremendous and huge response from the students, and many of those also got the exemption. With that objective only, that you get the exemption in your direct taxation May or November 25 examinations, we are going to launch our direct taxation exemption test series. See, in this batch, in this exemption test series, you will get four block tests and two full tests. Okay, in these four block tests and full two tests, what we are covering, see, under test number one, that is a block test number one, we are covering these type of chapters: the PGBP, deductions, assessment of various entities, tax planning, avoidance and evasion, dispute resolution, appeals and revisions, and basic concept. All these chapter number and chapter name are according to the ICAI study material. Okay, so that you have to follow. The first test is going to start from the 26th of February 2025, and the second test is going to be after the 1 week, that is 5th March 2025, then 12th March, then 19th March. This is our four block test schedule. Okay, then this is the next schedule for the next block test number 2. These are the schedule for a block test number 3. Every block test have a seven chapters to complete. Okay, and then this is a block test number 4. All the block tests cover 100% of the syllabus. All these block tests will have 100 marks of paper. Every block test will also be of 100 marks. On that, 30 marks will be your case based MCQs as per ICI syllabus. Then 70 marks will be your descriptive. 70 marks will be descriptive paper. Same as per the ICAI. Same as per the ICAI pattern. Everything will be done with that motive only, that you can converse yourself with that format of ICAI and get exemption very easily. You will be able to follow the things which ICI is asking. Okay, then only you will get the exemption in the direct taxation examination series. Okay, then we will be having two full tests. Full test number 1 will be conducted on 26th of March, and full test number 2 will be conducted on 31st of March. So whether we have to give the test on these specific dates, see, if you are taking the scheduled test, we encourage you to we encourage you to write those texts on that particular day itself. But as we also have given you the option of unscheduled test, where you can, if you are not able to write the test on these dates, you can opt for what, unscheduled test, and you can give the test at the later date as well, as your choice. But there is a final last day till when you have to submit your test papers. Okay, all these papers will be based on, completely based on ICI syllabus, and we just want you to take the feel of ICI examination, how ICI is testing you. So that is why we are giving you 100 marks of the paper of 3 hours each, with extra reading time of 15 hours 15 minutes, and the test will be conducted at the same time of your final exam, like the 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., and you have to submit the answer by 5:30 if you are taking the if you are taking the scheduled batch. Okay, scheduled test series. Answer correction will be done within 36 hours of, with the proper remark, whether you are not able to solve this correctly, you have done this mistake, or you should also read this particular topic very deeply, thoroughly, because you are lacking in that particular concept. Everything will be given in that with the proper remarks. Okay, and you have to submit this answer sheet within the email. You have to give the answer sheet via email, and that email ID will be provided you after the registration that you will do. Okay, then it will be strictly based on ICI pattern, that is 30% MCQ and 70% descriptive. In the block test as well, I am not going to give you the 50-mark block test, 70-mark block test. No, because we just want you to write the whole 3-hour paper. You have to sit and write the 3-hour paper in the exam environment. That then only you will be able to complete that ICI paper with full grace. Okay, then you can do the registration by filing the Google form in the description. You can go in the description box of this video, and you can find the registration form, and you can file the registration form and get yourself registered. Okay, for the scheduled students, whoever opting for the scheduled test, they will be get the Google Meet link, which we will share before your exam. okay, and we will proctor your examination. You have to you have to sit in the in that format, okay. Open your camera and we will proctor your examination, okay. So this will give you the feel of the real examination. And for the unscheduled test, if anyone is opting for the unscheduled test, then the last day of the submission is 15th of April 2025. 15th April 2025 is your last day to opt, okay. Then for further inquiry, you can join our Telegram channel, WhatsApp group. Everything link is given in the description box. Please kindly do check that description box as well, okay. And we will give you the same format of ICI answer sheet booklet number, page number 1. See, this is the page number 1 that we are going to give you. This is the ICI booklet, okay. Download it from the ICAI website only. We will also provide you the roll numbers, okay. You have to fill these roll number, you have to fill the roll numbers in words, you have to sign here, you have to fill all these details. We also give you the paper code written on the paper. We will also give the MCQ booklet serial number, which will be written on the MCQ booklet, okay. Everything you have to write and fill, and after that those 15 MCQs you have to find. You have to mark those 15 MCQs as well. You have to see this as well, paper number. Everything will be as per the ICI pattern only. Then only you will be able to get yourself equipped with this format and be able to solve it very easily when your final exam will be there. So you are very much conversed with those the process. That is why we are giving you the same feel of the ICI examination. Now, so what is the fees of those tests? See, the test fees is very nominal for you. See, your this prices are till 10th February 2025, and this test series is only for limited students. We do not want to take many students and can't serve better, so we are going to take only limited students, so we can serve them very well, okay. So if you are taking the test series schedule, the prices of the schedule is less than the unscheduled, because we encourage you to write the test on the same schedule, okay. That is why if you are taking the full two tests, it will be of 500 rupees. Four block tests, 600 rupees, and the combo of both will be for 1000 rupees or 999. For the unscheduled, 600, 700, and 1199. This will be the price for you, okay. But this price will be applicable till 10th February. After that, the prices will going to increase. How you can enroll? Go into the description box. There will be a registration form link, Google form link. When you will file that Google form link, within 24 hours, the team will send you the confirmation mail along with the all the details that you need. The Telegram group, we also enroll you into a Telegram group where you can share and ask your doubts accordingly, okay. And we will also give you the mail ID on which you will have to share the question papers. Now, if you feel that your direct taxation concepts are not very much clear, so you can also join our direct taxation exemption series, that is in full English as well, okay. Exemption series, direct taxation exemption series is available on our website. The link is also given in the description box. You can go and check that as well at a very nominal price. And if you feel very difficult for the IBS or SPOM, the subject that is costing, the SCPM subject, okay, then you can definitely search, then you can definitely go and see our Sampoon book that will cover the whole concepts, 100% concepts, all formulas, okay. Then SPOM, actual questions, everything is covered in just 150 pages. Let me say it's approximately 190 pages because of 40 to 50 pages of the SPM, actual questions asked. So it is approximately 190 pages, okay. In that as well, we have given you the index with topic wise index, chapter wise and topic wise index is also covered in this only the Sampurna book, which is of 190 pages. The 189 or 190 pages book is, and it will cover your IPS tension as well, it will cover your SPM tension as well, for the subject called costing, because costing syllabus, costing modules of the ICAI is of 850 plus pages. Okay, you cannot carry those two bulky modules in your examination, but you need a smaller book so that you can easily find the concept when it is needed. So for that objective only we have made a book. If you remove the SPM actual question asked, then it will remain only for 150 pages. Okay, in that 150 pages, and also the full topic wise list is also given you before the chapter. The chapter index was also given you, so it is very easy to find those concepts. You can find the sample chapter link as well on the website. The link is in the description. You can go on the website and check the sample paper, sample chapter as well. If you like that, you can buy it at a very nominal cost. The book will be delivered at your doorsteps. So okay, this is all for the video. If you want to enroll it in the video sorry, in the test series, you can do so by filing the Google form link, by filing the Google form given in the description box. So all the very best. Let's meet in the next video. Or if you need any help, please do comment. We will solve your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Till then, take care. Let's meet in the another video. Bye.